In front of me is TECNO Pova Neo tool, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select a password that you wish to edit by clicking on it. Enter your screen lock, use Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!